Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I just wanted to do like a vlog. So I think this is gonna be my first vlog ever. I don't think I've ever vlogged before. But I'm really excited. I have kind of an eventful day. I just have to go do a couple things, so I just thought I would vlog because I didn't really have a video planned, and since I was doing a bunch today, I just figured I would try it out for the first time and see if I actually like to vlog or not. And I just thought it would be entertaining for people just because, I don't know, I want to get more personable with you guys, and I feel like doing sit down videos every week is not really the way to do that. So I figured I would just do a vlog because I feel like you guys can actually see into my life and just know more about me and just like my life in general. Try to make it as interesting as I can. It's kind of hard to during quarantine just because I've pretty much been in my house the whole time. I actually am going back to work next week though, so that's pretty exciting, just so I won't be like bored every single day. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup right now because I am filming this video, so I just thought that it would be fun to do my makeup and just kind of talk for a little bit. Also, if you want to see the makeup routine that I'm gonna do, it's just my get ready with me, like chatty get ready with me. I'm doing the same thing in this video that I did in that video, so if you want to see me do that and like all the products I use, just go ahead and check that video out. Today's actually Friday, so my new video is going out as well, so if you haven't checked that out, be sure to check it out. It is like outfits to wear after quarantine. And I just did like a little Forever 21 haul. I feel like I haven't bought clothes in a long time, so I finally bought them, and I just did a bunch of outfits from the clothes that I bought. So if you haven't seen that video, go check it out also. I'm kind of like don't know what to do with myself now because I am done with classes. So although that is super exciting, I'm really happy just to finally be done. I can kind of just focus on YouTube now and just making really good content. I don't know if most of people that watch my videos live in Michigan, but our stay-at-home order just got extended yesterday to the 28th of May, so that's just awesome. I don't know how to explain it. I'm just like obviously over being in my house all the time. I want to go out and do stuff. I'm sure many other people feel the same way. We're just kind of like over it, and it doesn't help that people are not listening. I don't know. I don't want to get too much into this, but it's obviously something that's going on. I can't just like not talk about it. I don't know if you guys follow or subscribe to Kenna Marie. She's an amazing YouTuber. If you don't subscribe to her, you should. I love her videos. She has like a collage wall. She has like a bunch of pictures on just like her wall. So I wanted to get some for my wall because they have them like on a website, but it's like $80 for a packet, like for all the pictures and stuff. But there was like a half one that was only 75 pictures for like $50. So I was gonna buy some yesterday, or buy it to put all over my wall, and they don't deliver to my address apparently. I don't know if it's just because of the quarantine or they literally just don't deliver here in general, but so that was kind of disappointing. I really wanted to just fill up that wall. It's been blank for a long time and I just didn't know what to do with it, but then I realized I wanted to put pictures all over it, and then I couldn't even buy them because I don't want to print them out myself because that's a lot of ink wasted. So I was just gonna buy them. You guys should comment down below some good TV like series or movies to watch on Netflix, because Cameron and I have been watching like so many TV series. We finished All American, we finished Outer Banks, obviously Tiger King, just like a lot of series we have watched and movies. And if you guys have any suggestions on good things to watch, leave them in the comments. I really hope that this video is like entertaining for people to watch because I've never done a vlog before, and I don't know, I don't want it to be like boring for people. I think for next week I'm gonna do a video where I do like a social media detox. So I'm gonna delete all of my social media and not use it for a week, so like Monday through Friday. And I'm kind of really excited. I feel like I've been on social media so much just because I've like been at home a lot, and I'm just like constantly like checking my social media. So I think that a detox will be like really good for me, and I don't know, I just thought it would be an interesting video. Also, I got these earrings and I got the necklace. I got the same ring too. It's from Starlight Village, If you guys know who Hannah Maloche is, she is a YouTuber. She's from Michigan also, and she has like a bunch of necklaces and jewelry that it's called Starlight Village, like I just said. But I just really wanted to buy it because I thought it was super cute. I've really been getting into gold jewelry, so sorry, that was really hard for me to say, so I had to like pronunciate it. But she has like a bunch of different designs too, so I think I might get another one. I actually think she's all sold out though. Might have to wait for it to restock. I just finished my makeup and this is what it looks like. Again, if you want to see how I did it, go check out my get ready with me video. It's literally the same exact routine. But what else am I gonna do today? Go to Walmart because I need to get my mom a Mother's Day thing. Me and my sister actually already got her a gift, but I need to get her a card and flowers. And then I also want to get something for my boyfriend's mom because I am over there a lot and I just feel like I don't know, I just really want to get her something for Mother's Day too. And then I also want to make the cookie recipe that like is on TikTok where it's like 4 ingredients, because I've heard that they're really good cookies and I don't know, I just felt like baking today too, so I think I'm gonna make those cookies as well. It is like pretty cold out today. I think it's like 40, but like the sun, I just wanted to go put my seatbelt on. I already have it on, but it's been like 60-70 recently. How did that even happen? Okay, anyways, it's been like 60 degrees, like 70 degrees lately, and now it's like 40 out today, and it's a little cold, I will say. I'm gonna go to Walmart. I have my mask, guys, don't worry. I have my purse. Okay, I think we're good to go. Alright guys, so I just came to Meijer. I decided to come to Meijer instead just because I figured they would have a bigger selection of flowers here because they have like a whole section for it. Also, I'm really sorry if the lighting is horrible. It's just like not working out. But yeah, so I'm not gonna bring my camera in. Obviously, first of all, I don't want to get it like infected, and I just want to get in and out. I don't want to be like worrying about vlogging and stuff. And also, I feel like I would be really embarrassed to vlog in public just because like where I'm from, it's not like a thing. Like people think it's like weird when they see you vlogging. So anyways, I'm just gonna go inside and get what I need, and I will show you guys what I got when I come back out. All right guys, I am back. I think I made it out in like 5 minutes, but wearing that mask is like I cannot breathe and I feel like I can't see anything either, but I definitely rather would be safe than sorry, obviously. Get 2 sets of flowers. So I got these ones first. It's just in a pink vase, and then it has pink flowers and everything. I think this is so pretty. I love it. And then I'm trying to figure out how to show you guys this without like tipping anything over. Okay, and this is the second one that I got. This one has a lot of different flowers on it, so I'm not sure what kind of flowers these are, but lots of different colors. So pretty. It reminds me of Easter colors. And then it just has like a pink or a purple vase. I don't know which one I'm gonna give to my mom and which one I'm gonna give to my boyfriend's mom, but I think they're both really pretty, and I'm excited to give them to them. Hi guys, so I just got back home and I just wanted to show you guys what me and my sister got for my mom for Mother's Day, other than the flowers and everything. So she really likes the brand Lange, I don't know how you say it, but it's like a hair curling iron and like straightening brand, and she really wanted the straightener because she has like 5 curling irons from them, and she got us some for Christmas too. But so we got her the straightener, so I'll show you what it looks like. This is what it looks like. I am like obsessed with the color. I obviously haven't opened it, but that's the color right there, and I think it's such a pretty pink, just like a baby pink color. And then we got her this hairspray because she uses hairspray every single day when she does her hair, so this is what we got her. This is just the card that I got her, and then this is for my boyfriend's mom that I'm gonna give her. I'm gonna wrap her present and then do the cards and everything, and then I don't know, we might make some cookies later. I'll check in with you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, so it's currently 12:30. I just really want to make some cookies, so that's what we're gonna do right now. I think I'm gonna take some to Cam's family too when I take her flowers, so that's another reason why I want to do it. But like I said, I wanted to try out the new like TikTok thing that's going around, so that's what we're doing. I'm gonna set you on my toaster right now because I don't feel like setting up my tripod.
My prepared baking sheet at 350 for 8 to 10 minutes.
So 350 I need to set my oven for. Okay, so normally I make peanut butter cookies, but I really want to try a new recipe, so we're trying this one. And I'm just gonna be following the recipe from TikTok, so I really hope that this works and that these cookies are actually good. I've heard a lot of people talk about them though, so I feel like they can't be bad if a lot of people are saying they're good. Okay, first thing is 1 cup of brown sugar.
One cup of peanut butter.
That's a lot of peanut butter. Okay. I don't know if anything is focusing in this frame, but I'm really sorry if it's not. I'm kind of excited. I haven't had chocolate chip cookies in so long. I usually just make peanut butter cookies, like I just said. Ooh, these are mini. Alright guys, here's the big taste test. I'm so excited. They look like so chewy. That's really good. It kind of literally just tastes like brown sugar though, because that's like pretty much what it is brown sugar and peanut butter. But it's pretty good. It's weird. It's kind of gritty though. I'm used to having flour in my cookies. Like not the grittiness of the sugar, but it's pretty good. Hi guys. I just wanted to come back and end today's video. Yeah, I had a lot of fun just kind of vlogging, showing you guys my day. So if you guys want to see another video like this, be sure to let me know in the comment section because I think that would be really fun. Hopefully sometime after this quarantine when I can actually, you know, go out and do some fun things. But yeah, just crazy times. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Turn on my post notification bell as well so you can be notified every single time that I post a new video. But yeah, I think that is all. I hope you all have a great day and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.